The Parrot and the Storm. A short story. Once a happy parrot lived in a tall tree. He loved to sing and fly. One day, dark clouds covered the sky. A big storm came. The wind blew hard and rain fell fast. The parrot got scared. His tree shook and he held on tight. I must find shelter, he said. He flew to a cave. Inside it was dry and safe. Other animals were there too. They all waited until the storm passed. When the sun came out, the parrot flew back to his tree. He was safe and thankful. He learned it is smart to find a safe place during danger. Moral of the story is, in times of trouble, stay calm and find a safe place.